Everyone, welcome back to the Christmas cleaning edition. Today we're going to be supposed to be a rest day, but I finally found myself doing something else when I was supposed to be resting, but it's helping me towards Christmas, so I don't mind. So we're going to begin with my cleaning basket. My Christmas cleaning basket, I have the Cif cream cleaner, and this is fantastic for the sink, your pots and stuff like that. I picked up this Fairy Power. Is Tea Tree Nordic Sky. It's a limited edition, so I'm going to be trying this out. The Cif Multipurpose limited edition. I also like the scent of this. It's not overpowering, it's not too Christmassy. I will also be using my trusted The Pink Stuff. Like, I didn't have to buy a new one for this, but this is like a staple in my house. Elbow grease. I've never tried the Scrub Mate before, so this is my first time trying it. This is going to be the first time for me trying it. New Minky clean cloths. I needed some new cleaning cloths, so I'm going to be trying these out. These are also Winter Wonderland, so Christmas inspired. So this is what's in my Christmas cleaning caddy. This was supposed to be a rest day, but I was with my sister and then we were tidying up and she ended up asking me to clean the oven and we'll move the cooker, and we just realized it was so messy at the sides and at the back, so I thought, you know what, I might as well just do the whole thing. So yeah, that was the end of rest day. But I was so happy to actually pull everything out and see the build up behind that. Like, I wasn't really expecting that, so I thought I'll put a 20-minute timer to see what I can do in 20 minutes. So turn off the cooker and then just look at that build up. Honestly, it's yeah, let me show you. So whilst I was using this sponge, I realised I needed something a bit tougher. So this was perfect to get my new scrubber, and this was perfect. That my alarm rang. I needed like, and I actually had 4 minutes left, and I realized there's not going to be enough, so I just continued through with what I can, using my new scrubber, and it was working a lot faster because I could literally scrape off all the buildup and I could just wipe it off, and it was working a lot better doing it this way. With the Cif cream cleaner, it also works very well, so it's a perfect combination, and you can literally see all the buildup on the sides that I had to scrape off. So this was a really good session, to be honest. I'm really quite pleased with all the build-up and dirt that I wiped off and I cleaned. And then now to the back. So the back literally needed more time, so I needed to set another timer. I put another 20 minutes to really challenge myself to clean the back of this, but I realized I actually need to scrape off the build-up instead first before I use the Cif cream cleaner. can see it looks a lot better than it did when I first started. I'm just wiping away all the excess product of the washing up liquid and the sieve cream cleaner, and it's actually looking a lot better than it did. It's not perfect. I think if I get maybe a steam cleaner, maybe that might actually really dissolve all the grease and all the buildup behind there. But overall, I am so pleased with that. And I could not put everything away. I needed to clean the floor. There was a lot of build-up on there as well and a bit of dust, so I just got my hands and knees and I just scrubbed away. Now I'm just going to wipe the floor again and put everything back. It looks immaculate in my opinion. Is it. I literally had 4 minutes to spare, but that's all I could offer for that today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. You have a lovely day. Bye.